doing, guys? It's Joe here at Jordan Bikes in Leeds, and welcome to the video of this gorgeous Yamaha MT10. So this one is a 2016 on a 16 plate. It's only done 12,980 miles. It's a bike that we've sold previously, and we've also remapped this bike as well, so it's fueling perfectly. It's got a lot of nice extras on there. You've just seen the billet levers. It's got the decap pipe on there. It's got the scorpion pipe as well, so it sounds just as good as it looks. If you rewind a little bit, you'll get to listen to it. It's got some Renfrew grips. It's got that genuine Yamaha comfort seat. And these do come standard with cruise control, ABS, you can see ABS like there, you get different power modes, you get adjustable traction control. They're a wicked bike. I've owned one, they're super fun to ride, they sound fantastic with that crossplane crank engine. Just a wicked bike, everyone here loves them. So if you do want to get this one bought, they're a fast selling bike, get yourself down to Jordan Bikes, or just give us a call and get it snapped up before someone else does. Thank you for watching, cheers.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.